Let me quickly show you how you can run a full sync. So you need to go to the top left hand side corner blue icon, and you need to select connect to or connect via window PowerShell. And once you are in the console, simply type the command which I'm typing, sync dash CM software update dash full sync $true. Once you enter it, a full sync should be initiated in your SCCM. You can track it using the wsync mgr.log. A full synchronization can take more than an hour depending upon the production classification you have selected. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more such content.